Rain. We all know that the warm, moist and rising air cools and forms clouds in the sky. So we can see that cloud formation is caused due to heating of water bodies during daytime, which get mixed with atmosphere. When the hot air rises, it expands and cools. Cool air in the atmosphere sinks towards the ground. Due to cooling, water vapors present in the air take the shape of small droplets. Dust particles present in the air act as a nucleus, and the process of condensation starts. These tiny droplets become larger and larger due to the continuous process of condensation. When these clouds become heavy, they fall down in the form of rain. Sometimes when the temperature of air is low enough, precipitation may occur in the form of snow, sleet or hail. Rainfall patterns are decided by the prevailing wind patterns. In large parts of India, rains are mostly brought by the southwest or northeast monsoons. We often hear weather reports that say depressions in the Bay of Bengal have caused rains in some areas.